Hello, my dear kids. How are you, everyone? I hope all are fine. Today, we are going to learn one interesting story. Okay? Are you ready to listen? Yes, second lesson. Your second lesson in Hindi, one interesting story. Okay? What is the story name you know? Gadbad Ho Gayi. What is the story name? Gadbad Ho Gayi. Okay? What is the meaning of Gadbad Ho Gayi? One, trap. Okay, trap. In the jungle, all animals in a trap. Okay? Some animals trapped other animals. Okay? Trapped. That is the meaning of Gadbad Ho Gayi. Trapped. Okay, dear? Shall I explain the story? Are you ready to listen? Yes. Shall we start? What is the story you know, Gadbad Ho Gayi? Thus, all things happening in a forest, in a jungle. Okay, thus all things are happening in a forest. Okay, tell me, what are the animals we can see in the forest? Huh? Lion, fox, rabbit, giraffe. This all we can see in forest. More animals we can see in the forest, right? In this story, one new year celebration, okay? One new year is coming, okay? New year is going to come. Okay, new year is going to come. That time, the king of the forest, who is that? Sher. Sher means lion. Okay? Lion is in deep thinking. Okay? Lion is in deep thinking. That time, Chatur Simha. Chatur Simha. Who is Chatur Simha? You know fox? Yes. He is the Chatur Simha. Okay? That fox is came to lion. Okay? Came to lion. Okay? Then ask that Chatur Singh. Okay? Fox asked to lion. What you are thinking very deeply? What you are thinking very deeply? That time, what is the reply of lion? I'm thinking about New Year is coming. This time want to do something new. Okay, for the New Year celebration, this time want to do something special or new we want to do. What will do? Regarding that, I am thinking. Okay, like that, who replied? Lion replied to fox. Okay, what is the story? For one New Year celebration. Okay, for New Year celebration, lion is thinking, what will do this year? Something special we want to do this year for New Year celebration. That time, who came to lion? Fox. Fox asked to lion, what you are thinking this much deeply? That time, lion replied, New Year is coming. So, we want to do something special for New Year celebration. Okay. That time, on the back of bushes, two rabbits are there. Okay. On the back of the bushes, two rabbits. They hear this conversation. Okay. The conversation between lion and fox. Who heard? Two rabbits heard. Two rabbits heard. Okay. So, they both discuss. That two rabbits are there, no? They both discuss. Have you heard what they are telling? They are planning to do something new in this new year, coming new year. They also start to thinking, what will do? This new year, what will do special? What will do? They are thinking. Okay, up to last first day of New Year came. All the animals and birds, they wish each other. New Year wishes, we are also wishing, no? They also wishes each other. Suddenly, they saw two strange creatures. Okay, strange creatures. All the animals are together in a place. They wishing each other. That time, all the animals, one animal saw one strange creature. Two strange creatures are there. Okay. Suddenly, everyone saw that two strange creatures. They starting to run. Okay, they starting to crying and running. At the last, they reach nearby their king, lion. Okay, then they tell, please help us, please help us, we are in a trap, we are in a trouble. Okay, we saw two strange creatures. Okay, they will kill us, they will eat us, like that they are crying. That time lion said, you don't cry, I will see, I am here. Okay, don't afraid. Why you are afraid this much? Okay, I will do something. Okay, like that, share lion said. Okay, after that, lion also saw that strange creatures. Okay, that two strange creatures. At the last, you know who are the strange creatures? They remove their dress. Okay, they remove their dresses. That time, they are the two rabbits here. No, this discussion, share and lion and fox telling, no, planning this New Year celebration, something new we want to do. That bushes, on the back of bushes, two gargosh rabbits are heard this conversation, right? That two rabbits are this strange creatures. Okay, they plan this new special for this new year. Okay, how is the story? Very interesting story, right? Right? Yes. Enjoyed by hearing the story? Yes. Okay. Then I will explain line by line. Okay. Okay, dear students? Yes. Okay. What is the lesson name? Story name? Gadbad Ho Gai. Gadbad Ho Gai. What is the meaning Gadbad Ho Gai? Gadbad trapped. Okay. Listen, you can see one picture. One lion is thinking something. One fox is nearby that lion. Correct? Yes. Below that picture, I will read, okay? Please listen, students. नया साल आने वाला है, शेर सिम किसी गहरी सोच में डूबे हुए हैं। तभी चतुर सिम वहाँ आता है। नया साल आने वाला है, न्यू ईयर गोइंग टू कम। शेर सिम किसी गहरी सोच में डूबे हुए हैं। किंग लायन इज इन डीप थिंकिंग। तभी चतुर सिम वहाँ आता है। That time fox came there. Okay, one king lion. Okay, lion is the king of the forest, right? So that lion is in deep thinking. That time one fox came there. That fox asking something to lion. You can see in next page picture, correct? शेर सिम आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? शेर सिम आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? किंग लायन, what you are thinking? आओ चतुर सिम, बस इस बार नए साल पर कुछ अलग करने की सोच रहा हूँ. आओ चतुर सिम, बस इस बार नए साल पर कुछ अलग करने की सोच रहा हूँ. Come on, fox. This time, New Year, some different want to do. I am thinking about that. आप ठीक कहते हैं शेर सिंह, कुछ तो नया होना ही चाहिए, पर क्या? आप ठीक कहते हैं शेर सिंह. You are telling correct only. Something should be new. Means what? कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I can't realize anything. Okay? Once more you listen. नया साल आने वाला है. शेर सिम किसी गहरी सोच में डूब हुए हैं. तभी चतुर सिम वहाँ आता है. New Year is going to come. King Lion is in deep thinking. That time, Fox came there. शेर सिम, आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? King Lion, what you are thinking? आओ चतुर सिम, बस इस बार नए साल पर कुछ अलग करने की सोच रहा हूँ. Come, Fox. This time, on the New Year, some different want to do. I am thinking about that. आप ठीक कहते हैं शेर सिम, कुछ तो नया होना ही चाहिए, पर क्या? You are telling correct only. Something should be new. That means what? कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I can't realize anything. Once you read with me, okay? नया साल आने वाला है. शेर सिम किसी गहरी सोच में डूबे हुए हैं. तभी चतुर सिम कहाँ आता है. शेर सिम, आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? आओ चतुर सिम, बस इस बार नए साल पर कुछ अलग करने की सोच रहा हूँ. आप ठीक कहते हैं शेर सिम, कुछ तो नया होना ही चाहिए, पर क्या? कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, dear students, understood everyone? Okay, next page. झाड़ियों के पीछे गेल रहे चीडू और नीडू. खरगोश ने शेर सिंह और चतुर सिंह की बातें सुनी. झाड़ियों के पीछे गेल रहे चीडू और नीडू. खरगोश ने शेर सिंह और चतुर सिंह की बातें सुनी. झाड़ियों के पीछे, on the back of bushes. गेल रहे चीडू और नीडू. खरगोश. Playing on the back of the bushes, two rabbits are playing. What are the rabbits' name? Cheetu and Needu. शेर सिंह और चतुर सिंह की बातें सुनी. They hear what they are telling. Who are telling? Fox and Lion. चीडू, सुना तुमने, नए साल पर कुछ नया होना चाहिए. चीडू, सुना तुमने, नए साल पर कुछ नया होना चाहिए. This is in first box. Okay. चीडू सुना तुमने, नए साल पर कुछ नया होना चाहिए. Have you heard? Chidu, have you heard? New year we want to do something new. हाँ, लेकिन हम क्या कर सकते हैं नीडू? What we will do नीडू? Yes, I heard. What we will do? Okay, what we will do नीडू? Next, साल का पहला दिन तो आने दो, अब तब तक कोई न कोई उपाय सूझ ही जाएगा. Let the first day of New Year come. Till that we will get some idea. Okay, that time we will get some idea. ठीक है. Okay. First, about the picture. झाड़ियों के पीछे गेल रहे चीटू और नीडू खरगोश ने शेर सिंह और चतुर सिंह की बातें सुनी. On the back of bushes, rabbits are playing. They hear King Lion and Fox conversation. चीटू सुना तुमने, नए साल पर कुछ नया होना चाहिए. Have you heard? चीटू, have you heard? New year we want to do something new. हाँ, लेकिन हम क्या कर सकते हैं नीडू? Yes, I heard. What we will do नीडू? साल का पहला दिन तो आने दो, तब तक कोई न कोई उपाय सूझ ही जाएगा. Let the first day of New Year come. Till that we will get some idea. That time we will get some idea. ठीक है. Okay. Then next page. About the picture. Okay. नए साल का पहला दिन, सभी पशु पक्षी एक दूसरे को बधाइयाँ दे रहे हैं. अचानक, first day of New Year, all animal and birds one to another, they each other wishing. Okay, wishing each other. अचानक, suddenly, अरे देखो जरा, ये दो अजीब से प्राणी कौन हैं? Hey, see there. There, two strange creatures are there. Hey, see there. Strange creatures. Two strange creatures are there. What is that creatures? भागो, कहीं ये हमें न पकड़ ले. भागो, कहीं ये हमें न पकड़ ले. Run, maybe they will catch us. पकड़ ले, catch us. भागो, भागो, कहीं ये हमें न पकड़ ले. Run, maybe they will catch us. ये तो दूसरे ग्रह के प्राणी लगते हैं. It seems like other planets, animals or creatures. It seems like that two strange creatures seem like other planet creatures. Okay? नए साल का पहला दिन, सभी पशु पक्षी एक दूसरे को बधाइयाँ दे रहे हैं. अचानक, first day of New Year, all animal and birds wishing each other. Suddenly, अरे देखो ज़रा, ये दो अजीब से प्राणी कौन हैं? Hey, see there. There are two strange creatures are there. What is the creatures? Who is that? भागो, कहीं ये हमें न पकड़ ले. Run, maybe they will catch us. ये तो दूसरे ग्रह के प्राणी लगते हैं. It seems like other planet creatures. जल्दी भागो, भागो, जल्दी भागो. Run fast, run. भागो, जंगल में अजीब प्राणी घुस आए हैं. भागो सभी, भागो. Run, जंगल में अजीब प्राणी. In the forest, strange creatures from other planets came. Okay, so everyone run fastly. Okay, in the 9th page above the picture, read with me. नए साल का पहला दिन सभी पशु पक्षी एक दूसरे को बधाइयाँ दे रहे हैं. अचानक अरे देखो ज़रा, ये दो अजीब से प्राणी कौन हैं? भागो, कहीं ये हमें न पकड़ ले. ये तो दूसरे ग्रह के प्राणी लगते हैं. जल्दी भागो, 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 जंगल में अजीब प्राणी घुस आए हैं. भागो सभी. Okay, clear? Today we completed up to 9th page, correct? Next class I will give reading practice also. Remaining story we will study next class. Okay, dear students, are you enjoyed? I hope everyone enjoyed. Okay, thank you students, thank you so much. Bye.